We've got a central AC startup to do here. Hooked up the low side. Pressure's good. The R22 system, that's perfect. So they should be good on refrigerant levels. We're also going to check the capacitor out here real quick. Obviously want to have the disconnect pulled out, no power to it. You can always double check. Discharge it. Fan's going to be brown. Hermetic compressor is going to be yellow. You can always leave the common on to check. Just do a microfarad check here. So that's actually pretty low. For the fan, we want to be 5. It's at 2.7. Compressor size kind of low too. It's at 20. This one actually doesn't have anything here, but 35. So that's actually really low. I'm going to highly recommend replacing the capacitor for them. But then other than that, we'll see how that goes, and then clean out the coil real good. Filter's all good inside of the air filter with the furnace. We'll also check the temperature split, and we should be all good.